Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to split screen on CapCut. So basically, just need to open your CapCut on your PC, and here we have two videos that we're going to use on this video sample. Now we're gonna drag and drop right here at the bottom. Now the first thing that you're going to do, you just need to click on the second video and just move it at the top of the first video, as you can see. Now the first thing that you're going to do right here is to adjust the video, as you can see. So we're gonna adjust the first video, and same here on the second video here, just click on that and make it to adjust it to the right. Now if you want to use this split screen on your CapCut video, just need to click on the video on the top and just click on the mask button right there at the top right of your screen. So again, click on that video and click on the mask. And what we're going to use is the split. So we're going to click on the split. So as you can see, and we just need to adjust this one into a vertical line. As you can see, so just rotate this one, tap and hold on that line and just move it at the middle of this video. And there you go. As you can see, we have now split screen in this video on CapCut. And you can also customize this split line. As you can see, you can just rotate this one and make it like this, slant a line. So if you play this one, so as you can see, we have a split screen on this video on CapCut. Now how we can create a split screen on a vertical video? Again, let's move that video right here at the bottom, and then click on the second video and move it at the top of the video right here. Now the second thing that you're going to do is click on this ratio button right here at the bottom right of the video and change to 9:16. So as you can see, let's just adjust the video right here. So same on the second video, so let's move it down right here. Now if you move it closer together right here, so just need to click on the two videos right here at the bottom. So we're gonna grab it right here, and actually you can just adjust these two videos and make it on the middle of your screen. So you can actually adjust also the split screen right there, and you can adjust the size of the two videos. So yeah, that's how you basically create a split screen on CapCut. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.